This is Free Talk Business 3, Lesson 9 Review. How to stop meetings dragging on. Mike, have you heard of Parkinson's law of triviality? Yeah, isn't that the idea that people spend more time discussing simple things than important ones? Yes, like a team will debate for hours over what refreshments to serve at a meeting, but barely touch the budget for a nuclear reactor. It's so true. I've seen meetings where people argue over font choices, but ignore how the whole system should operate. It's almost like there's an inverse relationship. The smaller the decision, the bigger the discussion. Right. And while we waste time on minor details, we miss out on what could lead to financial success. If something doesn't impact the mission, I offer quick alternatives and move on. Smart. People feel comfortable discussing easy topics, but real progress comes from facing hard ones. It's about building a culture where time is used wisely, not just comfortably. You should apply that to your next strategy session. No endless talk about snacks. Okay, good job.